Today I'm going to be doing a video on the demo scene of ArchVizPRO Interior Vol.5 HDRP. This particular New Year's, they have one of their new products on sale. And I was like, oh, let me try this. They do such quality work. So let's see here. Now, this is their demo scene that they have for the winter time. And it looks just like this. All the props are in the exact same place. And they do have the winter scene. However, with my particular demo, I'm not going to be using the snowy ice winter scene. I'm going to be using something different. And the good thing is that winter scene, you have it and you can use it on other projects, which is excellent. And you can add snow if you like, or something like that. But I decided to do something a little bit different. But you can see the quality of this work. They did such a good job. And let me stop this. And I want to tell you that this is HDRP. So I had to create a project with HDRP. And I'm sure the reviews are pretty good on this. Let's look at the reviews real quick, and then we'll jump into the demo. Let me look at the 1 star. I'm just curious. That was 4 years ago. They gave a 1 star. I cannot see my prefabs in Unity 2020. I don't know why, but it's not working. And I use Unity 6 and it is working. So that's a good thing. Two people gave 3 stars. In the beginning, that was 3 years ago. The asset is overall very good looking. But when I initially opened up the package in Unity 2020 HDRP, all of the curtains are bright green and throw green light all over the scene. And it says, have you followed the quick project setup for documentation? It explains how to fix the green on the curtains. I bought this asset a few days ago. I wanted to import this into my project, but it seems to be that there's a constant problem with the download from the package manager. It keeps getting stuck at 91%. And again, I downloaded this in Unity 6, and I had absolutely no problems with the download. So they did fix that. And it looks like 4 years ago, someone said, nice. These are professional bakery bake setup. It says. And then everybody else had given a 5 star. Okay. So this is great. And let's go ahead and let's review this. Now, I do want to show you how, you see how these still scenes are? You see how clear that is? I want to show you what it looks like in my project. Okay, so here I'm in my project. I'm in Unity 6. I'm going to hit play. Okay. Now, right where I'm at right now, I'm going down the hall. As you can tell, it is as advertised. And I chose a nice spring setting instead of the winter scene. And the winter scene is nice, but I just wanted to do something different. Let me go into this lovely living room. And it does have the props. I just didn't add the props to this yet. This is just the furniture. Lovely, right? We go into the kitchen. Plenty of shelf space. Cabinets up here above. Excellent. Let's go this way. Let's go to the... Oh, can't go this way. I have to go this way to get to the bathroom. Ah, lovely. Lovely. His and her toilet. 10 plus. Oh, love the sauna. Ooh. Okay, this house is just so awesome. Okay. Now let's go ahead and... Oh, nice picture. Gonna try to look outside. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Okay, let's go outside. Look at all these birds. Uh-oh, I guess I put some bird seed out. They're trying to get it. They seem quite happy. Look at the fireplace. Isn't that nice? I think I'm going to make that fireplace just a little bit taller so you can see the fire burning. I'm going to make that a little bit taller. And there we go. Look at the deer down there. Isn't that beautiful? Hold up. Give him a nice little headshot. Hello there. Hello, reindeer. Like he's eating whatever the birds are eating. They're having a good old time. Nice. So you see it, and there's a river down the hill, which I love. Absolutely. This is like one of my most favorite houses ever. The outside is inside, which I love. I can enjoy the outside while being inside. Look at this view. Nice. This is what I'm talking about. What a nice break. Uh-oh, look at this. Like the door is open. I think, you know what? Since the door is open, I think I'm going to go ahead and head outside here. Whoa, look at the waterfall. The perfect house that just keeps giving. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at the running stream. Yes, yes, yes. I'm just going to pause here for like about 3 minutes. Oh, look at that. I think I really love this house. What I tried to do, I tried to turn off some of the wind so it wouldn't be too hard for this to render. And so they're gonna probably have to change it a little bit, but I'm gonna see if less wind can make it a little bit more so it won't have to render so much. But this is absolutely gorgeous. must be in heaven. Oh, I know I'm in heaven now. Hmm. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this demo, and I hope everyone has a great day.